Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Maths Online. Today our maths topic is sequences and type of sequences. In these questions, we will learn first what do you mean by sequence and how many types of sequences you have and how to find out which type of sequence is that. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. So let's start. What is a sequence? So a sequence is a set of things, usually numbers. In mathematics, we take set of things means numbers. It is not necessary you can take anything. A sequence is a set of things that are arranged in order and separated by a comma. You can check. We have written some numbers here: 3, 5, 7, 9, and for every number there is a comma between them. That means 3, 5, 7, 9, and you can see so many dots. In sequences, usually we don't say number. We say the term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on. What do you mean by this dot? This dot goes means there are infinite numbers present according to this sequence. You can either say a term, element, member. They means the same in the sequence. You can say the first member, second member, and so on, or first element, second element, third element. They all are same. So this is a sequence. Now let's learn how many types of sequences we have. We have two sequences. One is arithmetic, the other is geometric. Usually students are very confused when they study about arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. They don't understand what is the meaning, what is the difference between this. So here today we are going to clear everything about arithmetic and geometry in a easy way to remember. So first let's go for arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence means the term means for the numbers are found by adding or subtracting a common number to each subsequent term. What do you mean by this? It means when you write a number and the next number when you are writing in a sequence, it should be either a addition or a subtraction by a common number. That is called arithmetic sequence. What is a geometric sequence? The geometric sequence, the term are found by multiplying a common ratio. You can either say a multiplying or dividing by a common ratio of each subsequent term. Still confused? Let's learn more. See here. Now, with an examples, you will understand clearly. What is an arithmetic? Now we learn arithmetic means, see, start with letter A. So it should be either addition or subtraction. So when we see the sequence, -6, 1, 8, 15 and 22 and goes on. Is it an arithmetic or geometric? When I see the difference between these two numbers is 7. Like 1 minus 6 is, minus of -6 is plus. So, or you can say 8 minus 1 is 7. 15 minus 8. That means every time you are adding 7. -6 plus 7 gives 1. 1 plus 7 gives 8. 8 plus, that means every time you are adding the same common number. So that is arithmetic. What you have to check in arithmetic? It should be common difference, not common ratio. Now let's check a geometric. 324, 108, 36, 12, and 4. Each number is divided by 3. When I divide 324 divide with 3, you get 108. 108 when you divide with 3, you get 36. Same thing, it goes on. That means each time you are dividing the common ratio. So that is arithmetic sequence. Now, I hope you understood what is the arithmetic and geometry. Now let's solve some questions according to that. Write if it is an arithmetic sequence or geometric or neither. Neither means it should not be arithmetic, not be a geometric. And describe term to term rule. What will be term to term rule? Means what is going on? Is it an adding a number or subtracting? You have to write in words. Calculate the next two terms. When you can calculate next two terms? When we know what is term to term rule, then we can calculate next two terms. First, let's solve what kind of fraction is, what kind of sequence is this? 5, 10, 20, 40, and 80. Each time, say here, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is not 20. So it is surely not arithmetic. So what is going on here? Now you can see 2 is multiplied each time. When I multiply 5 with 2, I get 10. 10 with 2, 20. 20 with 2, I get 40. And so on. So this is the part A. What kind of it is? It is a geometric sequence. And how to write in words? This one? Right. In a words, term to time rule is multiply by 2 to the preceding numbers. Multiply 2 to the preceding numbers. How to calculate next two terms? What will be next term now? 80 multiplied with 2 is 160. 160 when you multiply with 2, you get 320. Understood now how to find? Now let's do one more. Now 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, 14. Now you can check, is it an arithmetic or geometry? Here, when I add the number 1, I get 4 plus 1 is 5. But to get 7, I have to add 2 to the number. That means I am adding different numbers, not the common number. So is it an arithmetic sequence? No, it is not an arithmetic sequence. So surely we cannot take for geometric sequence because some numbers are adding here. So it is neither sequence, not arithmetic, not geometric. So how to write in a word? Adding number in a sequence to the preceding number. How to get next two numbers? Add 14 plus 5 because 4 is finished. It's 19. 19 plus 6 is 25. Now this is the way you will find arithmetic or geometric. So question number 3 can be done by you to solve. Is it an arithmetic or a geometric or neither? So you can solve to have a practice this one. Thank you everyone. I hope you understand